Hi everyone, today's video is all about my new Amazon purchases, and I've been waiting to do this unboxing with you guys, and I've waited a couple days now and I'm so excited to show you. But I have ordered some new products that will help me in my business, in my crochet business with my crocheting, and then a new gadget that I'm going to be trying. It's actually a knitting machine. Yeah, a knitting machine. Let's open it together. Again, this was ordered from Amazon. Oh, the box is pretty too. Okay, 1 second guys. I gotta get this in. Oh, it's a good weight. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is called the knitting machine. The knitting machine. And the brand is Sentro. You see that on the bottom of the box there? Actually, not the bottom of the box. On the bottom of the machine, it's Sentro. And it knits for you. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this with you guys. And it looks like it may come with yarn. Look at the back of the box. You get some other added accessories with it too. Okay, here we go. I've been waiting days to open these guys. Oh, a little bit more. So it does come with instructions, but unfortunately for me, they're not in English. But thankfully I have YouTube, again, that I've been looking at, and have other young ladies on there who have demonstrated how to use the machine, so I will just refer back to those YouTube videos for instructions in English. Okay, so it comes with 4 small balls of wool, and they feel like they're different weights. That's a lovely soft dusty rose or a soft pink, and it's like a peachy color, and it's a hot pink. And then the last one, the label's kind of come off of it, but it's like a creamy winter white. So they included 4 balls, and I know from watching the videos that's to give us a chance to test the machine. So that was a nice little perk. And then in this package are the feet for the machine, and it also comes with, or the legs if you will, there's 4 of them. And they look like they just snap in. But again, from watching the videos, I felt like there should have been some screws with this. Oh, the screws are on the machine itself. Oh, they're right here. There's 4 screws, and then there's the suction cups. And that is if you're using it, say like I wanted to use it here on my table. My table has a glass top insert. I can set it right here and suction it to the glass so the machine doesn't move around when I'm cranking the handle. Oh, and they give you a little screwdriver to use. And then they give you 3 needles. So when you're finishing up your project, depending on the size of wool that you're using, you can see those eye holes there. You pick the appropriate one, and they give you 3 of those needles, small, medium, and large. And then they give you a crochet hook, and these are only plastic, but that's nice that they would include it for you. Okay. And then this gadget here, this goes on the side of the machine, and this is for your tension when you're winding the machine, and helps control the tension of the yarn that you're using. And the little holes here are all different sizes. Okay, so guys, let's take this out of the packaging here and get into this. It's packaged real well for shipping, which is nice. There it is. So this is the Sentro knitting machine, and this is where you would put your yarn on, and the yarn goes in and out, weaved in and out. And maybe later on, once I get accustomed to it, I'll do a video to show you actually how it works. But this is the handle that then cranks the machine. See how that disc is going around in a circle? Pretty neat. Now I don't know if I'd be able to put it all together right now, But I want to point out as well, it has its own row counter, and you can set it back to 0 by just hitting the button. And that lets you know how many rows you've done, so you don't have to keep track of that manually in your head or writing it down on a piece of paper. So that's really neat. So that will eventually sit up like this once I get the feet on it, and then your wool goes on it here, and you put the sections on, and then you go ahead and you knit. So anyway, I won't get into all the details of that because I have to assemble it and give it a try, but that is what I got through Amazon, the Sentro knitting machine. With this new machine, I might be able to then start offering some new products to my line this year, and I'm excited to give it a try. So follow along. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram and or Facebook, please go ahead and follow me on either account, on either platform at Anthea Style, and follow along, and you'll see other things that I'm doing over there on those platforms. Thanks for watching.